and welcome back for another exciting Make It and Take It. Earlier this week you should have received your brown paper bag with all kinds of interesting little items. Half a pop bottle, a piece of string, a whole bunch of little doodads, bottle cap with a hole in it. Besides these items, you will need some glue, a pair of scissors, and some little pokey thing. We're going to start using our pokey thing. You want to take your bottle cap. You are going to stick your string through the bottle cap, which is where your pokey thing comes in, because sometimes it just doesn't want to go. Once your bottle cap is on, you're going to tie a nice big knot. Once your knot is tied, you're just going to pull it. And you're putting the knot on the inside of the bottle cap, by the way. On the other end, you're going to tie another knot. So once you've tied that knot, you will find a cute little bee. Your bee has wires on the bottom of it. You're going to twist those wires around this knot. So here's your bee, see? All nicely wired up. Going to take your bottle. You're going to find your green square of sticky back felt. And you can use pinking shears, you can cut a straight line. You're going to cut a couple of, mine are going to be wavy, couple of little thin strips. Peel off the back. Stick it around the neck end of your bottle, maybe half an inch up from where the neck ends. Just like so. This is going to make your grass. Take some more of your green felt, and you're going to make just some little rectangles at different lengths. Peel the backing off. Flip your bottle upside down like this, and you're just going to space them around the bottle. Once you have stems spaced out around your bottle the way you want them to, you can take your little foamy flowers, peel off the back, stick them on. If you want to get fancy smancy, take a little bit of glue, middle of the flower, pick out a pretty little gem, stick it on. So you have big flowers, you have little flowers, you have glittery flowers. You're just going to get your flowers stuck on all around. Some of you might have little ladybugs, whatever it is. Peel it, stick them on. Once your bottle is decorated, there's some leaves. You can make leaves out of your green felt. Once you have everything stuck on and you like it the way it is, take your cap, screw it on the bottom. They really do screw on. And you all will remember this from your childhood. You now have a catch the bee game. And if you're coordinated better than I am, eventually you'll catch it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you get hours worth of fun. We'll see you again soon for another Make It and Take It.